Moto Ty, back at you again. It's another week. So, as you remember in the last video, we had just finished installing the Crash Industries sub cage. So, I got to have some fun on that, but last week I accidentally fell on the bike, dropped it, the chain broke, and so I went down to Cycle Gear. Thankfully, they had another RK 420 chain in stock. So, this video we'll go ahead and do the installation. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to count out 106 chain links. This is the stock length of the Grom, so go ahead, count that out, mark it once you're done, because you're not going to want to cut it too short. Okay, so once you have 106 lined up, you're going to go ahead and grab your chain breaker. We have two knobs here, so one is to screw the thread closer to lock the chain in place. The other one is to press the pin through. So we're gonna take our thread one, loosen it up a bit so it fits nice and flush. Once you get it, start to twist it down in place. After that, go ahead, once it's in place, start to twist your pin knob down and eject the pin. Okay, so once everything is in place, you're gonna want to go ahead and start to twist your pin knob all the way through. In my case, my hands are a little bit greasy, so it's a little bit harder to twist. So if you do have a piece, I'd recommend grabbing a wrench. This one's 14 millimeters. Put that baby on, and you're gonna just twist it through. I felt a little pop. All right, so once you feel it pop, just keep twisting it. You'll start to maybe be able to feel it with your finger, and then it should fall through. All right, so now we're gonna take off the chain braking tool. So now the links should split, and you can just take them apart. So the first step to installing the chain is removing these 4 bolts. We got 1, 2, they're gonna be the same on both sides. In my case, I'm only gonna be doing these 2 because my exhaust is making it impossible to get to the other 2. Okay, so second step, we are gonna go ahead and undo these 2 sprocket bolts. It should be 2, maybe 3. They're gonna be located right here and right here. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a chain, go ahead and feed it through. I'm having my buddy help me out with this just to help make the time go by a little bit faster. All right, so now that we have the chain fed through, go ahead and put the links together, and then grab the master link so you can link the chain together. All right, so we have our master link set made up of 3 pieces. This piece will go on the inside, like near the wheel, and these 2 pieces will be on the outside. Okay, so next step, we're gonna go ahead and use our master link to connect the chain together. All right, so for the last part of the master link, you're gonna need to use pliers to put it into place. I'm not gonna be able to do that on video because it's gonna be a hard angle to get the shot. All right, so once you have your master link on, go ahead and adjust the chain to the right slack Then you'll go ahead and make sure to put the sprocket cover and the mudguard back on, and you are done. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Have a great day.